Thank you so much for joining us. And I have like next 10-15 minutes का interview रहेगा ये. I have some questions, so I can start, right?
Please शुरू करें.
Okay. So we call it the Everything Experiential Leadership Series that I've been doing with the new IMA leadership. And first of all, congratulations on winning this big election. Tell me, what is the feeling right now? It has been kind of 4 days. What is the feeling exactly?
आप मेरे से सच सुनना चाहते हैं, झूठ सुनना चाहते हैं या पॉजिटिव सुनना चाहते हैं?
एकदम सच, एकदम सच.
So, to be very honest, Rohel, it is still settling in, and it's not that. Yes, on the one side there is a certain aspect of elation, there is a certain aspect of joy, but for people who have been through this in the past, they know that it's not easy. It's a very tough ask to take on these responsibilities and to be able to comply with the responsibilities that you have, and especially in the circumstances and times that we are in, ये आसान नहीं होने वाला है. और while all of us are friends in crime, but at the end of the day, यार public जिम्मेदारी तो public जिम्मेदारी होती है, जवाब तो देने पड़ते हैं, और जब दोस्तों को जवाब देने पड़ते हैं तो कष्ट तो होते ही. So it's a very mixed bag, and but yeah, अब कुछ सोच के आगे बढ़े थे तो अब आगे बढ़ते रहेंगे, and I hope that we are able to keep everybody happy and achieve certain benchmarks which go down well in the history books of our association.
Right. Tell me, it was a tough competition in the sense a lot of people were there. What would you attribute your win to?
What would I attribute my win to? साहब देखो, ये इसका जवाब बड़ा पॉलिटिकल है, मैं वो देना नहीं चाहता हूँ, बट आई थिंक इन वेरी क्लियर टर्म्स people choose, na? Yes. So I would attribute my win to my friends and colleagues and members of the association. I would keep this answer very, very simple and very concise.
Right. So you are also taking charge. I mean, the entire leadership is taking charge at a time which is unprecedented, and there have been so many, you have seen what COVID has done. So it's not a usual transition of power. It comes with a certain kind of challenge. Do you see it as a challenge? Do you see it as an opportunity? What is the feeling right now? How do you take this role?
दो बातें रोहेल, मैं आप बुरा मत मानिएगा please. It is no transition of power. It is a shift of responsibility from one set of the people to the other set of the people. There is nothing like power. ये यहाँ ऐसा नहीं है कुछ, और उसके लिए कदम भी नहीं बढ़ाया था. So that having been said, sorry, what was the second part? So,
yeah, no, I mean, so is it, how do you see it, as a challenge, as an opportunity? Is a mix of both? What is it?
It is definitely a huge challenge. Challenge because there are many things that one wants to do, and with the restrictions that the current environment is imposing on us, हम बहुत सारी चीजें जो सोच के करना चाहते हैं हम शायद नहीं कर पाएंगे, because we are physically and practically bound. And but at the same point in time, in every challenge there is also an opportunity. So Abhi, it may be a little premature for me to comment because we're still in the process of assessing, we're still in the process of analyzing. Abhi हमारा एक formal handing over भी नहीं हुआ है, तो एक बार वो हो जाएगा तो इन सब चीजों में दिमाग ज्यादा चलेगा. But I think it is going to be fun working in this challenging environment to find out new ways, to find out newer solutions in terms of how the objectives can be achieved. तो अब एक चीज तो पता ही है, पिछले 3 महीनों में जो हम लोग video calls करने से कतराते थे, that bridge has kind of now been passed. So the opportunity in this challenge is that while we are distanced, we are actually more connected, because हम ज्यादा टाइम एक दूसरे से बात करने में बिताते हैं और इस तरीके से समक्ष हो जाते हैं. So that is just a very small example, but yes, easier said like this. There are going to be challenges because जो चीजें हम, so in terms of strategy, in terms of decision making, in terms of taking guidance from people within the system, yes, it is definitely easier today. But when you have to go to the outside to kind of implement what you've discussed, then obviously there is a challenge, because we know that सामाजिक और environmental तौर पर आज की डेट में परेशानियां हैं. But going beyond that, I think the bigger challenge is for our industry, which everyone has already spoken of to you. So, which is why मैं वही बात दोबारा तिबारा नहीं कहना चाहता था, but it doesn't mean that it is not relevant. It is, the position of our industry in today's time and age is very, very critical for us to address, because काम ही नहीं है, और काम नहीं है तो लोगों के पास नौकरियां नहीं है, नौकरियां नहीं है तो परेशानियां उससे और बढ़ती हैं. So I think that's an immediate challenge, and we have to kind of figure out the best possible way कि उसमें किस तरीके से as an association हम contribute कर सकते हैं, उसमें क्या सुधार ला सकते हैं, and how can this be navigated to any level of correction, getting employment or some kind of an engagement for people who've already lost so many jobs. I think that's also very, very critical. How the business will come back, I don't know. मतलब कोई भी इसके ऊपर comment नहीं कर सकता. It is, I think we have a very nice lineup of challenges ahead of us, but at the same point in time, I think the team that has come into play, that has come in to take the responsibility, is also a very nice, a very well, what should I say, experienced team. So fighting these challenges in the process should be fun, and which is what I would want to contribute to, कि इस पूरी एक्सरसाइज को, इस पूरी लड़ाई को, इस पूरे संघर्ष को enjoyable बना लें, so that this journey that we have lined up ahead for the next 2 years doesn't become a struggle. It should become an achievement, and that is what I would try and do.
There's also the government angle. For example, right now expectations are huge from the leadership, the new leadership. And the rapport with government has often been, talked about, that, we need more from that side, and we need some kind of fiscal, support. From that perspective, people are also looking up to you, since they know that you, in the corridors of power, you have been there, and there's quite a bit of, impact. So what is your sense of how would the industry benefit from the government side? What would be your attempt in doing that?
I would say that the last few months, there has been a considerable improvement in IEMA's relationship with the governance of our country. The last committee has done a very good job with people like Lalit, with people like Narchan, and a few others who have been involved in all of those things. जिन लोगों ने भी ये पहलें की हैं, वो एक अच्छी शुरुआत है. And I would, for us, it is now very, very critical and important that we keep this team and take this ahead, and even more. What we would expect out of the government in the immediate term, Rohel, to be very honest, I don't expect that there is going to be any kind of an assistance given, because पैसे तो सरकार किस बिना पे दे पाएगी. But yes, vis-a-vis support, whether it is coming to us in the form of an interest-free loan, or a collateral-free debt, or exemption of some kind of maybe like a tax holiday on the GST that we have to pay, or an additional window of time in which the GSTs and other TDS liabilities have to be paid to the government. इन सब चीजों में थोड़ा सा relaxation अगर मिल जाए, actually नहीं, थोड़ा सा नहीं, a considerable amount of relaxation in these things would probably be things that we would try and represent for. And the moment the government starts to spend money, we know that there is a lot of government expenditure that's already started to happen, and that will happen. May not necessarily be just around large format of public gatherings and events, but there are other kinds of events, and government would also gradually start to do digital engagements with people. There will be a lot of things that the government will do, I know, in terms of skill development or in terms of women and child welfare, in terms of road safety. अपने को पता है कि इन सब जगहों पे बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो हम as an event industry मिलकर कर सकते हैं. So I think we will be keeping our eyes and ears open and probably uh, uh, representing to the government that if there are more opportunities that can be created around as many fronts as possible, so that हम जितने लोगों को किसी न किसी प्रकार से थोड़ा सा काम की अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल जाए उतना अच्छा है. So this is what I would say, that with in the immediate term to medium term, this is what we would try and collaborate with the government, or collaborate is the wrong word. This is what we would try and request the government for. And something which is also very important, कि भाई बाहर के और देशों में अब धीरे धीरे we are seeing that events have started to happen. Things are opening up, while in smaller numbers. I think there is some engagement that we need to do with the government, and I'm sure Siddharth and Roshan have already spoken to you on that we are also capable. So if there is a dialogue and engagement that can happen with the right people sitting in the chairs of the policy making, that we also can start, we can resume doing events. And it's not that we are irresponsible people. तरीके होते हैं हर चीज को करने के, तो भाई किसी लेवल पर छोटी छोटी शुरुआत तो करें. अभी वो एडहॉक numbers हैं 25 people or 50 people. I think they need to be more cleverly discussed, and we should try and gradually start opening doors so that there is some kind of engagement with business that we can begin.
Tell me, अगर आपको previous जो leadership थी उसके key achievements बताने हो, या what would that be? Also, what are the one challenge is this, the economic side of the events, but what are the other broad challenges in the industry?
So दो सवाल हैं आपके, दो अलग अलग. So the most noticeable achievements of the previous executive council that we are aware of, because हमको दिखे हैं, हमने सुना है. I think they've set up a lovely functional secretariat for IEMA. That is something phenomenal. So hats off to them. They've also made very decent, rather considerable progress, breaking the ice, and now starting to get noticed in the government quarters, which I was talking of a few minutes back also. I think that's also remarkable. I think some fantastic things have been done on the education front. Vipul and a few other people, I guess, were leading those initiatives or were involved. Vipul, Prerna and a few other people. I may be going a little wrong with names here, but मोटा मुझे ये ध्यान है, उस पे बहुत काम हुआ. So I think that is something which was very noticeable. There is work around this नहीं, so I would restrict it to these three. कि अगर हम most noticeable की बात करते हैं तो ये तीन चीजें सबसे ज्यादा noticeable मेरे point of view से रही हैं. और देखिए, मैं गलत भी हो सकता हूँ, but आपने कुछ नोटिस किया, मैंने कुछ नोटिस किया, किसी और ने कुछ नोटिस किया. ये तीन मैंने ज्यादा नोटिस, and which is what I would kind of limit this to.
And what can improve at IEMA according to you?
Oh, there are many things that can improve at IEMA, and there are many things that need to become better at IEMA. I think number one, the name IEMA in itself needs to sound more powerful, and वो सबसे बड़ी हमारी यहाँ है. To bring recognition to the brand equity of this name. So which is why, whether you call it lobbying, whether you call it engagement with the government becomes important. Engagement with related trade bodies is also very, very important, because there are many of these businesses which are in some way or the other now aligned to each other. When you talk of travel and hospitality, because of our MICE, because of the weddings, because of the large getaways that the corporate does, it's an integral part of this whole ecosystem that we are also involved with. So engagement with bodies like a faith or important travel associations in this country, the advertisers association, I think the AAAFI and all of these things, plus the FICCIs, the CIIs, the PhDs. I think इन सब लोगों के साथ में हमारा उठना बैठना बढ़ाना चाहिए, हमारा डायलॉग बढ़ाना चाहिए, so that they also understand and they are aware of the fact that yes, we exist. While they know that we exist as companies, not very many people are aware of the fact that we exist as a body like this, which is now a really independent and a strong association of like-minded people who've been making these efforts so that things from a broader perspective get done. So ये दो सबसे बड़े challenges हैं, और बाकी छोटी बातें हैं, वो छोटी बातों को बड़े प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं।
I have two more questions. One is, this जब election होता है, एक democratic process है, तो एक certain kind of friction हो ही जाता है. That's normal process of any election. And have you called your competitors? Have you spoken to them? And what has been the after phase of these elections? I mean, I just want to understand वो एक जो friction होता है during elections, उसका क्या फिर होता है उसके बाद?
I will tell you something. एक फ्रेंडली इलेक्शन होते हैं और एक इलेक्शन होते हैं। तो ये मेरे ख्याल से मेरे लिए तो ये बड़ा फ्रेंडली इलेक्शन था, और हमने पहले भी एक दूसरे से बात की थी। अब आप उनको मेरा कॉम्पिटिटर कह रहे हैं, मैं कॉम्पिटिटर तो नहीं बोलता, मैं तो बोलूंगा हमारे मित्र जो अनफॉर्चुनेटली सेम पर्पस के लिए टेबल के दो अलग अलग तरफ खड़े हुए थे। सो दैट इज हाउ आई वुड पुट इट। एंड कभी किसी का हाथ लंबा चल जाता है, कभी किसी का हाथ लंबा चल जाता है। So absolutely zero friction. I think Sagar and me we were buddies before. We continue to be buddies, and we've spoken before, as I said a few times. We've spoken after the elections as well. So friction होते हैं, कहीं कहीं हो जाते हैं, और वो चीजें हम लोग मनुष्य हैं, हम इंसान हैं, सब हम गलतियां करेंगे, बट समय के साथ साथ हम उन गलतियों को सुधार भी लेते हैं. We learn with time because nobody is born perfect. And whenever one is faced with such complicated situations for the first time in life, invariably you end up making a mistake. So I will just pray to God and request all my friends कि हमको ऐसी गलतियां ना करने दें, और अगर हम ऐसी गलतियां करते दिखें तो हमें टोक दिया जाए, हमें सुधार दिया जाए, क्योंकि इस संस्था या इस एसोसिएशन का बेसिक उद्देश्य तो टुगेदरनेस है, और अगर हम उसी को डिफाई करके बाकी चीजों को ज्यादा महत्व देने लगेंगे तो परेशानी है. दैट इज प्रोबेबली द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द एंड.
एक और सवाल जो मैं अक्सर पूछता हूँ ये कि women leaders हम बहुत कम देख रहे हैं, अक्सर देख रहे हैं, जबकि we have 45% women working in this industry. How do we make this more gender equal?
I don't think so that there is a lack of any effort there, to be honest with you, Rohel. But Poonam, Sushma, and all Rima, all of these people who've been more actively engaged with this side probably can comment better. मेरी नॉलेज थोड़ी सी कम है, बट मैं इतना जरूर जानता हूँ कि while we say that 40% of the people working in our industry are women, but if you look at the 169, 170 platinum members, there are about 13 or 14 women driven enterprises. तो वो percentage वहाँ पे बहुत skew हो जाता है. It's not 40%, it's not even 10% here in terms of ownership as far as women entrepreneurs are concerned. तो अब इस गैप को अगर हम ब्रिज करने की बात करें तो आप भी जानते हैं, आपके मेरे हाथ में तो है नहीं. आई थिंक देन द लार्जर agenda would then be to get more women entrepreneurs to come forward and set up companies, but now this is something which can't be forced on everybody or anybody for that matter. तो थोड़ी सी tricky सी situation है, और but I think as time is progressing, families are becoming more broad minded, environment is becoming a little safer, so people are people have started to kind of put on those shoes and get into the field, because बहुत सारे लोगों के मन में, you see, there are we still are in a society where there are some social evils that prevail, that exist. रात में देर हो जाती है, public transportation में घर वापस आना पड़ता है, so it imposes its own challenges, and a lot of people do stay away from these kinds of industries because of those issues. But हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री में भी ऐसा ही है, बहुत सारे लोग रात रात भर काम करते हैं इन दी नाइट शिफ्ट्स, बट आई गेस दे हैव ऑर्गेनाइज्ड देमसेल्व्स बेटर एंड दे आर मच लार्जर. सो हमारे यहाँ इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ पीपल उतना नहीं है, और प्रॉब्ली एक सिंगल, बिकॉज हमारे यहाँ देर कब होती है, हमारे यहाँ देर होती है जब हम एक वेन्यू पे होते हैं. अब हमारे वेन्यू तो रोज अलग होते रहते हैं ना, but in hotels etc the venue is the same, so it's the same place constantly that you have to go to, so things are handled differently. But ये थोड़ा लंबा हो गया, इसको किनारे करते हैं. So I think focusing to the answer that you need, I think more women entrepreneurs in due course of time should be coming forward to engage and embrace this industry. और जहां तक women in जहां तक it's the involvement of women in our business, if it is 40%, pata nahi, I don't know, because if I look at a company where there are 100 people working, do I find 40% females? No, I don't.
They have overall they're saying this is the ratio. I mean, that's what they have been quoting this number. So I mean, I relook at it.
Poonam mentioned that number to me as well. And so we have some 37 people in our organization, और हमारी तो management के perspective से ही 2 females involved हैं, but in total we are 1 2 3 4 5 people in the company out of 37. There are 5 females. तो हमारे यहाँ तो ratio वही 12-13% का है. I think what needs to be understood properly is how is that number 40%, and if that number is really 40%, how can we engage with that 40% better so that there is visibly more contribution?
Right. And finally, my question is that while you are about to get into that role properly in next few days, what is your message to people who are watching out? Ye hoga, wo hoga. What are the expectations? They're pinning their hopes now. What is your message to people who are from the EMA members especially? What is your message to them?
मेरा ये मैसेज नहीं है, मेरा एक ये भाव है. एंड आपसे मेरी एक दरखास्त है कि आप जर्नलिज्म को बहुत अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करिएगा व्हेन इट कम्स टू आवर इंडस्ट्री. So don't label it such that it becomes just very spicy to read, because a lot of times what is said is not what is communicated. And Rohel, don't take this personally, we are all friends.
No, I would just make a small interjection that our journalism in this domain is still evolving, honestly speaking, and there are very few players. I think now we have reached a stage where it's taken a serious turn, and I would of course think that it's going to be more serious. Thankfully we are not Bollywoodish types, but still I think it's going to be
will have a hugely important role to play in this entire endeavor, because at the end of the day you are the larger voice. आज आदमी यहाँ का, मैं तो आपसे Zoom पे कुछ बोल रहा हूँ, ये बात 100 500 1000 लोगों तक तो आप ही पहुंचाओगे ना. So they will read what you will write for them, which बस मेरी यही गुजारिश है कि जो हम आप उसको लिखें किसी भी तरीके से, बट हमारा सेंटिमेंट वही रहना चाहिए. एंड तो अब आप अपना सवाल दोबारा पूछिए साहब, मैं सॉरी भटक जाता हूँ थोड़ा सा.
So आपकी जो मैसेज फॉर EMA members, you said you won't call it message, but your yes.
So मेरा एक भाव है यहाँ पे, और मेरी सीख है जिंदगी से, कि इंसान को सबसे ज्यादा डिसअपॉइंटमेंट तब होता है जब उसकी एक्सपेक्टेशन के विपरीत कोई चीज होती है. So disappointment only comes to you when there are certain expectations that you have. I'm not saying people should not have expectations. People should have expectations, but let's make those expectations realistic. And at the end of the day, हम कोई नेता नहीं है भाई साहब, हम माध्यम हैं. So ये चीज, at least this sentiment is something that I have practiced all through, that we are nobodies but one of them only, because we are also them. So if we are them and we are just representatives of our people, how can we work, or how can we walk without holding the hands of our people, of our friends? So आप, अगर हम आपकी आवाज बन रहे हैं या हम आपके हाथ पैर बन रहे हैं जो अभी 2 साल आगे चलेंगे आपसे इस चीज को करने के लिए, तो बस वहां तक सीमित रखो आप. If you think like that, then I think things will work, because then disappointments will not happen. We are there to do what the industry needs. We are not there to do anything that I want to do personally. We are all chosen by our friends only. तो अगर हम सामूहिक तौर पे, so we walk collectively, so which is why when Roshan said हर बात एक साथ, when I said हम साथ साथ हैं, when Siddharth said something similar that you need an orchestra to create music, uh, it's all about togetherness. So if we are together in this whole thing, then I don't think so there is going to be any disappointment at all, because then that is for all of us. It is not that he was supposed to do this. No, sorry, he is not supposed to do this. It is us who's supposed to do this. And it is us who's supposed to do this. It's just that I'm standing in the front of the line.
Right.
तो ये एक सोच जो है वो बहुत जरूरी है, मेरा ऐसा मानना है। और हमको भी 10 साल तो हमने ईमा में कंट्रीब्यूट किया, ये 10 नहीं तो 7-8 साल तो किया ही, और हमेशा इसी तरीके से किया है। और शायद यही जरूरी भी है हमारे लिए, बिकॉज I'm sorry, nobody is getting paid to do anything. It's all voluntary. It's for our own good. It's for the good of our industry and our friends. I hope I've been able to express my sentiment correctly. अब आप इसको छाप दोगे कि Samit Garg said that
honestly, let me say,
my...
our journalism, we see our journalism as an enabler to what being done. I mean, of course, it's a very small industry, it's a small community. There's more of a feeling of a community, of a family than anything else. Of course, we would state.
I will, say one thing to add to all of this, Rohel, that we're a very small association made of very beautiful. And हम लोग का business ही यही है, हम लोग का business है beauty, things should look nice, experiences should be fantastic. So we're all in the business of making people happy. We sell, we curate, and we transact happiness. तो उस happiness के बीच में हम बस political purposes को ना घुसाएं, क्योंकि अगर हम political purposes को इस happiness के environment में घुसाएंगे तो परेशानी होगी बस. And उसके लिए each and every individual is accountable, is responsible to make sure that that doesn't happen. So, और क्या आप अपने घर में गिरते नहीं हो क्या चलते चलते? आपके बच्चे ऐसे बड़े हो जाते हैं बिना गिरे हुए. तो अगर हम गिर गए भाई तो क्या हो गया, हाथ पकड़ के उठा लो, बनस्पत इसके के छड़ी लेके पीछे खड़े रहो, बेटा हाथ तेरे को लगाते हैं. It's that which is very important, and it's there. हमको पता है कि intrinsically all of us, we love each other, we care for each other. It is just that उत्तेजना में हम कभी कभी बात को सही तरीके से एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाते, and I'm sure that expression will be found very soon.
I think I agree with you. I think the broader sentiment is one of one family. I think that is how it is overall, and which is a very good thing and great. Thank you so much, Samit ji, for talking to us. It's been a great conversation, and just the beginning. Of course, we are going to touch base more often and know more about you and ask you more questions. And thank you so much for taking time for this conversation.